Group 2 and we are going to present about our industrial visit related to this course. So there are numerous chemical industry branches that are closely related to chemistry, and chemistry plays a significant role in many other sectors. Hence, this is frequently referred to as industrial chemistry, and deals with the use of chemical principle in the production and also manufacturing processes of the final materials and also chemicals. The final product in the industry is produced by chemical processes that require design, development, and also optimization. So many industries nowadays, like those in modern world, use chemical theories and also fundamental in the manufacturing and also production of their goods in order to supply them to the customers and also consumers. So for instance, based on our visit, which is to Sugar Bomb in Meru, Selangor, it is providing the flow of the production and manufacturing of their final product, which is perfume, and also applying safety measures during the whole visit. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So we are from Group 2 and we are going to present about our industrial visit related to this course. So there are numerous chemical industry branches that are closely related to chemistry, and chemistry plays a significant role in many other sectors. Hence, this is frequently referred to as industrial chemistry, and deals with the use of chemical principle in the production and also manufacturing processes of the final materials and also chemicals. The final product in the industry is produced by chemical processes that require design, development, and also optimization. So many industries nowadays, like those in modern world, use chemical theories and also fundamental in the manufacturing and also production of their goods in order to supply them to the customers.
So I will explain about the problem in the industry. The manufacturing industry experiences a period of growth, which is a positive development. However, there are a number of internal challenges that are preventing the industry from continuing to grow. Despite all the obstacles, manufacturers encountered a variety of internal obstacles in addition to the uncertainty of national and international economic conditions. One of these internal challenges is the inefficiencies that are still present in the manufacturing industry. Many industries still rely on old and manual methods, which lead to higher production costs, long lead time, and increased risk of mistake. Second, the other internal challenge is the need to address environmental concerns. And lastly is the manufacturing industry is also faced with the need to adapt to fast evolving technologies, technologies such as AI, which is artificial intelligence, and IoT. And IoT, Internet of Things, are all technologies that have the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing industry.
Two ways in manufacturing perfumes are from natural and synthetic fragrance. In Sugar Bomb, synthetic chemicals is chosen. There are significant contrasts between natural and synthetic, which is natural conducts higher cost than synthetic. In natural fragrance, thousands of flowers are expected to produce 1 pound of essential oil. In producing perfumes, there are 4 departments, which are laboratory, packaging, warehouse, and also waste department. It has their specific goals of developing the scents. Each of the departments contains some of the processes. In progress room, mixture is mixed homogeneously. The fragrance oil concentrations depend on the fragrance strength. The higher concentration, the higher purity of fragrance. High concentration of fragrance contains a greater volume of fragrance oil and less volume of alcohol. It is compulsory to make sure that no air bubbles are present in the mixture. When it promotes oxidations, it is easier for the mixture to be damaged as it starts to lose its strength and effectiveness. Next step is maceration. Maceration is the process that allows the different fragrance oil to blend together in a solvent, typically alcohol, for a period of time. It is kept in a cool and dark area. Maceration is also known as aging of perfumes. Aging of perfumes requires 7 days or up to 90 days, depends on the mixture. Perfume use maceration to allow customization, which is flexible process that can customize the scents according to the scents they prefer. Next, IPQC room conducts testing to check the condition of the mixtures. The test begins with pH testing. The best pH recommendations is between 4.5 and 8. It is important to determine the pH as a lower pH indicates more acidic skin. It allows scents to be absorbed better. In order to produce good quality perfumes, it is required to follow the IFRA standards that promote the safe use of fragrance ingredients.
Next is packaging process. It begins with the filling of perfume bottles using automated filling systems. These systems ensure accurate dispensations of perfume into bottles of various shapes and sizes, catering to diverse market demands and product lines. Following the filling stage, the bottles are capped and sealed, a process essential for preventing leakage and maintaining the fragrance quality. Moving to quality control process of the filling and capping in the perfume industry, it is a crucial step to ensure that the final products meets the highest standard of quality, safety, and consistency. The filling process is monitored to ensure precision and accuracy. Each perfume bottle must receive the correct amount of fragrance to meet the specified fill level. A visual inspection is conducted for checking any defect in the bottle, such as scratches, dents, or infections. A leakage test is conducted to check for potential leakage issues and performing a final check to confirm the fragrance match its intended profile. Lastly, documentation is maintained for each batch, including the result of quality control tests for compliance and improvement purpose. If it passes the process, it goes to the next process, and if it fails, it terminates the process. The next phase involves labeling, where labels conveying brand identity, ingredient information, and regulatory compliance details are applied. This step is crucial as labels are not just for compliance but also for marketing. Another quality control process is applied. Each batch of fill and cap perfume is assigned a unique batch code. This coding system facilitates traceability throughout the supply chain. It allows manufacturers to track and trace products in case of recalls of quality issues and ensures transparency in the production process. 3 random samples are selected from the fill and cap bottles for weight and volume checks. This test verifies that the actual weight and volume of the perfume match the specified values. If it passes the process, it goes to the next process, and if it fails, it terminates the process. The perfume are then ready for secondary packaging, which usually involve placing them in designed boxes or cartons, which may also be labeled or printed with brand designs and information. Finished perfume products. The perfume then are stored on pallets in larger cartons or bundled based on their size, type, and destinations. It is crucial for preserving the integrity of perfumes, as factors like temperature and light can affect their quality. Following storage, the focus shifts to the processing and packaging area, where perfume undergo final preparations before being dispatched through different channels based on their destinations and urgency. Packaging materials, designs, and the way the perfume is presented within the box are all carefully planned to enhance customer satisfaction and brand perceptions. Finally, the perfume that are packaged are ready for distributions. For smaller or domestic order, courier are often used because it is fast and efficient. allowing for direct delivery to retailer and distributor. For larger international shipments, the perfume are loaded into container and shipped to various global hubs. This method is preferred for its efficiency in handling bulk orders, allowing for a broader distribution of the product to different parts of the world.
And the last part of the method is waste. Waste collection and management play pivotal roles in ensuring sustainability and minimizing environmental impact. One key aspect is the efficient handling of raw materials, aiming to reduce excess and carefully store or repurpose unused ingredients. Throughout the extraction process of essential oils and aroma chemicals, efforts are made to minimize waste generation. Proper disposal practices are essential for spent ingredients, emphasizing recycling or safe disposal methods. Waste generated during cleaning and maintenance procedures is managed responsibly, with an emphasis on recycling where applicable. Batches of perfumes that do not meet quality standards are subjected to strategies for repurposing or recycling rather than outright disposal. Water usage is optimized to reduce environmental impact, and wastewater is treated appropriately. Packaging waste is minimized through eco-friendly materials and a focus on reuse or recycling. Energy-efficient practices are implemented to reduce overall consumption, contributing to both cost and savings, environmental sustainability. Furthermore, the industry collaborates closely with suppliers to instill sustainable practices throughout the entire supply chain, from sourcing raw materials to delivering finished products. This comprehensive waste management approach underscores the commitment of the perfume manufacturing industry to environmental responsibility and resource conservation.
Now I would like to talk about safety measure. So safety measure consists of three safety, which is people safety, product safety, and person safety. So people safety is addressed through occupational health and safety, OHSH, which are multidisciplinary review concerning the safety, health, and welfare of people in occupation. For the process safety, it is generally associated with facilities dealing with hazardous materials such as refineries, oil and gas production installations, and chemical process facilities. Lastly, for product safety, it is a term used to describe policies designed to protect people from risks associated with thousands of consumer products they buy and use every day. In an industrial context, this will include equipment used as part of the processes.
Move on to the next part, which is the outcome from process and safety measure. In industrial chemistry, there are various techniques and safety precautions used in order to ensure the efficient manufacturing of chemicals while also protecting the well-being of workers and the environment. The outcome of solutions that result from this procedure and safety are productivity and quality control. Firstly is productivity and efficiency. Improving productivity and efficiency in the perfume industry require optimizing the chemical processes involved in fragrance generation. This could include improving extraction and synthesis procedure for essential aroma components, resulting in more efficiency manufacture. Next is quality control. Regarding quality control, in order to maintain the appropriate fragrance profile and ensure compliance with regulatory standards, quality control methods are critical in the perfume industry due to extensive testing and analysis of scent components aid in maintaining consistent product quality.
So, how applications can be practically applied? To achieve the best results, focus on the pulse points such as wrist, neck, chest, behind the earlobes, inside elbows, and behind knees, where these parts emit more heat than other parts of your body. and that heat actually activates and maximizes your perfume. Ideally, apply perfume on clean skin directly after a shower. If you can shower before spritzing, apply non-scented lotion first or layering scents by using matching body lotions that increase longevity. The better moisturized your skin is, the longer your scent will stay on. Avoid rubbing your wrists together, as it can mixes the perfume rigorously with your natural oils, which can change the way it smells. Let the scent soak into the skin instead, or lightly dab your wrist together or dab your wrist to other pulse points. You also can try a spritz in your hair for a long-lasting scent. Your movement will help diffuse the perfume throughout the day. Adjust the application based on the fragrance intensity, with lighter scents for daytime and stronger ones for evenings. Store perfume in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Reapply if necessary, keeping travel size bottle for touch-ups.
In the realm of perfume manufacturing, notable gaps persist in several key areas. One prominent challenge lies in achieving comprehensive sustainability throughout the supply chain, from the sourcing of raw materials to production processes. Despite strides in waste reduction, there remains room for improvement in optimizing strategies and recycling methods to minimize environmental impact and efficiently repurpose byproducts. The continuous quest for innovative formulation techniques, such as exploring alternative ingredients or reducing reliance on scarce resources, represents another crucial gap. Further advancement in energy-efficient practices within manufacturing facilities are necessary to curtail overall energy consumption and mitigate greenhouse emissions. Bridging the gap in consumer awareness about sustainable manufacturing practices is essential, necessitating education to foster demand for eco-friendly products. Furthermore, maintaining stringent compliance and keeping up with changing environmental rules are constant challenges. There may be gaps in previous work when it comes to embracing technical advancement, which includes sophisticated extraction techniques and environmentally friendly packaging options. Last but not least, promoting cooperation within the sector to exchange best practices jointly handle sustainable future for the perfume industry.
In conclusion, the deeper the plunge into this unfulfilling ocean, the longer the sand lingers on the skin and spread its story to the world. So, for example, perfume consists of 20 to 30% concentration of essential oils, EDP 8 to 50% essential oils, and EDT consists of 48% of concentration oils. So now, as we step into the fragrant future, the area of perfume must go hand in hand with environmental responsibility. Just as technology has revolutionized scent molecules, companies must now use that something major to make practices sustainable. I think that's all from us. Thank you.